Today I'm gonna create my own Battle Royale game using Unreal Engine 4. And here is how. I've just created a new project. And the first thing I'm gonna do is to create player character. I'm gonna use this cube as a player model because, well, it's cool and why not? Usually players in Battle Royale have some kind of weapon. So for now I'm just gonna add this gun as a placeholder. Since I've already made cube character in one of my videos, I'm just gonna copy and paste movement script. So now we should have moving character. And it's looking kinda cool. But it's not a Battle Royale game if you don't have some kind of vehicle to drop players from the sky. So I'm gonna create a plane to, well, drop players from the sky. Now we can place it in our level and see how it falls quite successfully. But it shouldn't, so now it flies cause I told him so. And this is how it looks from the player's point of view. But it shouldn't just fly, it should also drop players. Just like that. However, in Battle Royale games, it is common to be able to use some kind of parachute while falling. So I've added these cool wings and now a player can control where he wanna land. We also have these beautiful procedural animations, which I'm so proud of, by the way. At this point we can add a real weapon instead of placeholder. I'm gonna add this cool axe as a default player's weapon. So I made a tuck animation and it's not really what I've expected, but it's kind of fun. And I can even fly using my axe. Anyway, after a bit of debugging, I found out that I am dumb enough to use current player's location instead of rotation. After a simple fix, we can attack quite successfully. But axe is kind of boring, so I've added a real gun to the game. And now we can also shoot, but is it enough? Goddamn no. I wanted more weapons. So here is a baseball bat, crowbar, axe, pistol, rifle, and of course another rifle. I've also implemented simple weapon switching, and I probably forgot to set rifle as a ranged weapon, so now we can smash someone. Also currently a weapon doesn't get destroyed after we take it from the ground. Yeah, I probably should fix it. Alright, now we have pretty cool weapons. We have made some progress and now our plane is not cool enough for such a cool game. And since our vehicle carries Battle Royale players including me, let's just change it to a garbage truck, so it will be more like reality. Since I don't have any friends to play with me, I'm gonna implement simple AI, so now a truck can spawn AI players. I also learned them to use their wings, so they can land quite successfully. But they don't do anything for now, and it's just the right time to change it. I'm gonna use behavior trees to make an AI, which basically should run around and kill everyone he sees. Well, I guess that's what an AI should do, right? So now he can chase me and use his axe. But I can actually clap his axe, and it's quite unfortunate for him. Anyway, after a bit of coding, AI gets smarter. He can react to environment and also he can shoot, well, quite fast, so I'll probably gonna fix it. Now it looks really awesome and oh boy, look at this shooting animation. I've also implemented bullet spread and ammunition limit. Well, player still has infinite amount of bullets, but he has to reload his weapon. By the way, different weapons now has different damage and bullet spread. Also you can reload even your melee weapons like axe. I mean, it is a bug, but it's looking sick, so I'm not gonna fix it. The next step is player stats. Every character now has health and armor, and also this beautiful health bar. But how can a player get some additional armor points, if there is now actually armor which player could equip? So let's fix this problem and implement helm and breastplate. Now we can take armor just like weapons, and it will give us some armor points. It also looked pretty sick, by the way. It can also get destroyed if players receive too much damage. Anyway, we've made some real progress in developing Battle Royale. So let's just spawn many AI players and just give guns to all of them. I think it should be quite fun. Well, maybe it wasn't a great idea, but seems that it works pretty nice. So let's test it with melee weapons. I give an axe to every AI player and let's just see what they will do. And well, looks like they're just hanging out with friends, so... Seriously though, looks like I need to play with behavior tree, cause that's not what a battle royale game should look like. Well, now it looks better, they are actually fighting each other. Guess that's just what I want, but they don't do any damage with their weapon. I'm gonna add a small sphere at the end of every melee weapon, and if that sphere overlaps any character, the damage will be dealt. Unfortunately, it turned out that character can hurt itself, and that's just not how things should be, so I've added a couple of checks to prevent this. And now it works pretty good, so let's just spawn 100 AI players again and see if there are actually any bugs in the game. Well, it looks like all works as intended, but when character's health reaches 0, nothing happens. Let's just fix it and add death to the game. I decided to spawn a little explosion when enemy dies. Yeah, so guess it is time for another key feature of any battle royale game. And yes, I'm talking about Deadly Zone, which shrinks from time to time. I've also added this cool post-process effect, when a player is outside of the zone, and some kind of visual representation of damage receiving. I've also implemented simple map. For now, I just use gray texture as a placeholder. Oh, and also we have now this pretty cool game over screen. Anyway, let's create another level, cause I wanna make my game look beautiful. And this is not what beautiful games look like. So I'm just gonna make some magic, and here is our new map. I used Unreal Engine Marketplace 3D models because, well, I actually suck at modeling. I really like this cartoon style, by the way. We also have a small lake right here. And this is what the whole map looks like. I've also added some post-process effects, and here is the final result. Without further interruption, let's just spawn quite a few AI characters in a new map and test it. Well, cause they definitely shouldn't land right on the top of trees, so I'm gonna disable any collisions while they are flying and enable it again when they land. Works quite well, but now the game just tells me that I suck over and over again, and it's quite frustrating. So let me fix it really quick. The game already looks beautiful, but I forgot about one thing. I didn't configure a map. So here is a map texture. Let's just use it in a map widget so we can actually see where the player is. I also found out that AI really like this lake for a reason. Well, enjoy it while you still can. Oh, and do you think I forgot about dancing? Now if you wanna flex on the middle of the battleground, you can do it. I've also improved AI because, well, it was pretty dumb. There is also this cool win screen with dancing if there are no enemies alive. After that I found out quite a stupid way to lose the game. And guess we're ready to go, so let's just play the game finally. It's actually my very first attempt to play a battle royale game, but I will try my best. Well, let's pretend you didn't see it. After a couple of games, I understood that I really suck in battle royales, and the game keeps reminding me about it. So I decided to just stand a bit aside and shoot from behind, so AI players will actually kill each other. And that was quite a good strategy. When there was only one enemy left, I just killed it. And unfortunately, it happens right when the zone was shrinking, so I kinda won, but I still suck. And I want a clean win, so I just started again. Eventually I won this one and was quite happy. Well, I wanna thank you very much for watching, and if you guys enjoyed, subscribe for more content. By the way, in my Twitter you can see some insight of new videos, so feel free to follow me here. I also wanna thank you for all the support and all the comments I received past 2 weeks. It's just crazy, I really appreciate it. Anyway, I guess that's about it, so see you in the next video.